Welcome to English Listening Practice Level 1. Section 1, Greetings and Small Talk. Hey, how's it going? I am doing well. Thanks. What about you? What's new with you? Not much, just the usual. How was your day? My day was great, thank you. It's nice to see you again. Long time no see. What are your weekend plans? I plan to relax and watch a movie. Section 2, Talking about daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. The first thing I do is brush my teeth. I take a quick shower in the morning. I usually have coffee and toast for breakfast. I leave for work at 8 a.m. I take the bus to work. My work starts at 9 a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. with my colleagues. After work, I go to gym for an hour. In the evening, I watch a movie or read a book. Section 3, Asking for directions. Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to the train station? Go straight and turn left at the traffic light. It's about a 10-minute walk from here. Is there a bus stop nearby? Yes, it's just around the corner. Do you know where the nearest ATM is? I think there's one inside the mall. Thank you so much for your help. You are welcome. Have a great day. Section 4, Shopping Conversations. Can I help you find something? Yes, I am looking for a pair of jeans. What size do you need? I need a medium size. Do you have this in a different color? Yes, we have it in a blue and black. How much does this cost? It's $25.99. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we accept all major credit cards. Section 5, At a restaurant. I'd like a table for 2, please. Would you like to sit outside or inside? Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken pasta, please. Can I have a glass of water? How long will the food take? Everything looks delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you, that was a great meal. Section 6, Talking about weather. It's a beautiful day today. The sun is shining and the sky is clear. It's very hot outside. It's quite chilly this morning. The wind is very strong today. Did you see the weather forecast? They said it might snow tomorrow. I love rainy days. I hope it won't be too cold tonight. Section 7 Work and Office Conversations. Good morning, how was your weekend? I have a lot of emails to reply to. Do you have a minute to talk? What time is the meeting? The meeting is at 2 p.m. in the conference room. I need to finish this by tomorrow. Let's grab a coffee during the break. Can you help me with this task? Sure, what do you need help with? Have a great evening, see you tomorrow. I'd like to check in for my flight. Can I see your passport, please? Here is my boarding pass. What time is my flight? Your flight departs at 5:30 p.m. Where is gate number 12? It's down the hall on the right. Is my flight on time? Yes, everything is on schedule. Thank you, have a good flight. Section 9 Making Plans with Friends. Are you free this weekend? Do you want to grab lunch tomorrow? What time should we meet? Let's meet at 3 p.m. Where should we go? How about the new coffee shop? That sounds great. I'll text you when I get there. Looking forward to it. See you soon. Section 10 Expressing Feelings and Emotions. I am so happy today. I feel a little tired. This makes me really excited. I am a bit nervous about my test. That was so funny. I am feeling much better. I had a stressful day. I really appreciate your help. I am looking forward to the weekend. Good night. Sweet dreams. Thank you for watching this live on our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful lives in future. Thank you.